Welcome to this short screen recording about screen recording. You can actually record your iPad screen, which is pretty awesome. And basically, when you double click, we'll be able to set this up so you have a screen recording button and records whatever you're doing on your screen. So that could be moving around a OneNote, okay, all right, or even writing on the OneNote or highlighting something. Okay, it could be working on a website, even when there's interactivity on the website. Okay, could even be YouTube, so including the audio in a YouTube. Okay, alright, it could even be a PowerPoint. So if you want to record your narration at the top of a PowerPoint, okay, you can talk as you move around it and so on. Okay, alright, super. So to enable this, you go to Settings, and inside Settings on the left hand side you'll see Control Center. You click Control Center and you customize controls, and yours might be down the bottom, but you want to get screen recording up the top. So you click it and you make sure it goes up into the included one so it sits there. And then anytime you click, you double click your home button, you will now see a screen record button. Mine's at the bottom there. And if you want to record your audio, you hold down and you've got a choice of your audio as well. And when you want to finish and you hit stop recording, well, that's going to go through to your camera roll, you little cracker.